Hey family, I hope that you can see me and I got this camera in a good angle, but your girl wanted to come to you up. Let me pull these bad boys down and share this quick kitchen tip with you. Here's the thing. A lot of us like to keep pads up here, the magnetic pads, the pads that's supposed to stick, and sometimes they fall off, we can't find them, and all that good stuff. Y'all, this is a solid surface that's not porous. So you can utilize your dry erase markers on this surface. So you go in the refrigerator, something is missing, and the first thing you think is, oh, I gotta remember to write that down. No, you don't. No, you don't. You can do it right here. You can do it right here, guys. Right here. Whatever it is that is missing, you know what I'm saying? Just write it right on here. And that way everybody can see what is missing or what we need. You get what I'm saying? And what I do as a mom, because when I know I'm going through the refrigerator and I see, okay, this is missing, got to put it up here. I need more of this. This is about to run out. Whatever the case may be, I put it here. Because when I come in the refrigerator, I'm going to get a mental note and I'm going to see that. So when I do get ready to go to the grocery store, I can just take these and put them right on my phone. And I'll remember because I see them. Because you know what? I'm greedy and I'm always going in here to get something throughout the day. So before it's time to grocery shop, I will have seen that multiple times. That's a quick tip for your kitchen. And guys, it is not going to hurt your refrigerator. I promise. Do you see this? Do you see this? It's not going to hurt it. And this is just drying it, wiping it off with the erasers. I love these. These have erasers on the backs of them. You get 6 of these, which is 12 colors, and it's like $4.44 at Walmart. Go grab them. And you can also have your kids put notes on here. Like if they're on the way to school or before they go to bed. Like sometimes they're home sometimes and I may be working or something and they want to say something to me. Like, Mom, I need money for this, or Mom, I need money for that. They put that on the refrigerator. Everybody goes in here all the time. Utilize it. It's nice and smooth. It's going to go away. Talk to you guys later. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and make sure you're sharing my kitchen tips, my frugal hacks, my cooking tips, my cleaning tips, and all those good things, because I got a lot that's going to be coming your way. But this is one that I thoroughly enjoy. I wanted to share that. I'm not editing that. Later, guys. I will see you guys in the next video.